Talofa lava and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are going to be showing you 5 of our favorite Samoan actresses for 2023. Our first Samoan actress is Cecil Green. Cecil is the daughter of Jerome Gray, but she won my heart, especially through her role as Ida on Smilf. So that role broke my heart because there she is being a caregiver to somebody else's child and she's not able to care for her own child. Make sure to check out Cecil. We look forward to seeing her on Next Goal Wins. Our next Samoan actress for 2023 is Ana Tuisilla. Ana's current role is as Leah Maivia, The Rock's grandmother on Young Rock. She reminds me of Many Little Matua in Samoa, where she is strong, fierce, but also hilarious. So make sure to watch The Young Rock and see Ana Tuisilla. Our next Samoan actress is Suivai Autangavaya. Suivai, she won us over in her lead role in Hibiscus and Ruthless, where she tried to find her place in a modern world while also trying to live the Samoan way of her mother. So make sure to watch Hibiscus and Ruthless and check out other movies or series such as Baby Mama's Club and Sis Show, which also feature Suivai Autangavaya. Our next Samoan actress is Rose Matafeo. Rose starred alongside the actor Matthew Lewis, who is Neville Longbottom on Harry Potter, in the movie Baby Done, which was also executive produced by Taika Waititi. But I love her most in the series that she co-wrote, Starstruck. Make sure to check that out. It's available on streaming services, and yeah, she's absolutely hilarious. Another Samoan actress is Stacy Lane. Now, Stacy Lane plays Ata Maivia on The Young Rock. She grabs at your heart because you can feel the love that she has for The Young Rock and also for her family. And watching her in that role is funny but also pulls at your heartstrings. So make sure to watch out for Stacy Lane. Thank you so much for watching Measina, Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel. We hope that you have liked our 5 Samoan actresses. If you had an actress that you wanted to see, make sure to leave your comment in the comments below. If not, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so that you can support more videos just like this. Whaftai te le lava, till 5 before.